How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Good Morning, Mr. D. Today we're talking about conjunctions. These little words pack a big punch by helping us connect ideas. By the end of this video, you'll be a conjunction expert, so let's dive right in. So what are conjunctions? They're words that join other words, phrases, or clauses. Simply put, they are connecting words. Let's explore the three main types of conjunctions: coordinating, subordinating, and correlative. First up, coordinating conjunctions. These are the most common and they connect words or clauses of equal importance. They are your FANBOYS. No, seriously, FANBOYS stands for and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Here's how they work. Instead of saying, I like apples, I like oranges, as two separate sentences, you could say, I like apples and I like oranges. The word and adds to your preferences. You can have pizza or you can have pasta. The word or conveys a choice. She was tired, yet she finished her homework. As a conjunction, yet means to do something even though you don't want to. See how the conjunction connects two ideas? Easy, right? Next, we have subordinating conjunctions. These connect a dependent clause to an independent clause. Some common ones are because, although, since, and while. Here's how they work. I stayed home because it was raining. Although she was scared, she entered the haunted house. He played soccer while his brother watched. The subordinating conjunction shows the relationship between the two parts of the sentence. Finally, we have correlative conjunctions. These work in pairs to connect balanced ideas. Examples include either, or, neither, nor, both, and, not only, but also. Check this out. Either you study or you risk failing the test. She is not only talented, but also hardworking. Both the cat and the dog love treats. Correlative conjunctions keep things equal and connected. So let's practice together. I'll say a sentence with a blank, and you'll fill it in with the correct conjunction. Ready? I want to play outside, blank, it's too cold. Blank, you finish your homework, you can watch TV. She wants blank tea, blank coffee. Great job! Keep practicing to become a conjunction pro. Amazing work! Remember, conjunctions help us connect ideas and make our sentences flow. Whether it's coordinating, subordinating, or correlative, they're essential for clear communication. Thanks for learning with me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more grammar tips. See you in the next episode.